Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. In this video we are going to be doing a pretty exciting makeup look. I'm really looking forward to trying to execute this on my face. So in case you couldn't tell by the title, this is my entry in the NYX Face Awards. This is actually the 5th year I'm entering. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, you've probably seen every year I upload a video that's a little bit different, and it's always my NYX Face Awards entry. So as you guys know, I am addicted to RuPaul's Drag Race, and I'm actually watching back the season. So I was watching season 5 the other day and we were on the finale, and Detox walked out in her black and white look. So legendary. So I was just inspired instantly by this look. I'll put it right here in case you guys have never seen. Basically, she made herself look like she was out of a black and white film. It was so cool. So I want to try and do that look. I've got a wig. I've got everything we need. Also, I actually do have a shirt on. It just doesn't look like it. But I'm gonna have to take this sweater off. I look so naked right now. That is so weird. There, should I just pull that up that high? Now I can already tell you guys, I'm going to be the off-brand Detox. I am never going to look this good, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna start off by putting on some oil just so that everything will mix together easily. I'm just applying this drop oil all over my body, just basically buttering myself up because I want this face paint to go on well. Shoulders, gotta get everywhere. I remember the entry I did 3 years ago. I had to do like face paint of a skyline right here, all down my body, and I remember I just couldn't get it off, and I already can see that happening in the near future to me this time, so I'm obviously really pale, so I'm just trying to get a very light gray. I'm just gonna start putting that all over. Ooh! My pores are gonna clog in 3, 2, 1. I feel like I'm a member of the Blue Man group, even though all I did was mix black and white. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this white color as if it's concealer and put it under my eye to highlight. I'm even gonna highlight a little bit on my collarbone. Alright, now we are going to contour. So for this, I'm going to make a darker gray, more like a charcoal color. Now this is sort of to act as like a bronzer, and then we're going to go in with a contour. This is actually horrifying. I'm gonna contour a little bit low on my forehead just because I know my wig sits low. Expose the collarbone. Now the last cream thing I have to do before I set this grease ball of a face is my nose. I plan on snatching this nose. That is a thin nose. I'm just going to take a very white little dot right at the end. Now I've been refraining from smiling because I don't want to get smile lines, so I need to set. Now this might take a minute because I gotta pat this all over my body. This powder smells like gasoline. I forgot something over here. As you guys can see, the little boop on my nose is still super present, which I love. I'm just going to set it with a setting spray, and then we're going to highlight. I'm going to set for a while. I'm going to take this white highlighter. Okay, so here is the base so far. It honestly looks a little bit blue, but I'm hoping that it's just me playing tricks on myself. But okay, moving on, we're gonna get into the eyes. This is actually a NYX product, and this is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Just the first charcoal color. Okay, and now a darker shade in the crease. This is seriously so much fun. I swear I do almost the same makeup on my face every day, so to be able to do this makeup is so freaking fun. Now I know I'm not trying to copy perfectly Detox's look, but it definitely is inspired by hers, so it's what I'm looking back to. Just gonna quickly put some white in my waterline. Now I'm gonna take this single shadow and I'm going to put it over that part I just sculpted out. Then I'm also gonna take this shade under my brow bone. She's just got normal winged eyeliner. I'm gonna take a little liquid eyeliner. Alright, there's the eyeliner all darkened up. You guys, I'm so happy with how this is looking so far. Fingers crossed that it doesn't hit the fan here. But now I'm gonna quickly apply some mascara and then I'll be back for lashes. I'm having a difficult time deciding what lashes because I have these and they're so pretty, but I also have these and oh my word, those are so stunning. I think I maybe should do these ones. This line right here is so bothersome. I swear it's gonna get covered. They're still drying a little bit, so I'll give them a little bit longer. But I'm going to start cutting my bottom lash. Basically, I just want one long one right there. Oh no! My battery is dying as I'm putting on these lashes, so you probably won't see it. I'll be right back. So I know Detox didn't have these, but like I said, it's just inspired by her. I think it's so cool when people do that, so I wanted to. Anyway, okay, got the lashes on. I'm just gonna blend them and then we're on to our lips and then we're basically done. We're gonna put the wig on and the final look, I gotta put my outfit on. My outfit's not super exciting, you guys. I glued it together on wire and I don't know if it's super great, but I made it for this specifically, so hopefully it'll be good enough. So I'm thinking for my lips, I'm going to do like a black, kind of like how Detox had it. Yeah, she had like black with like silverish white in the middle, which basically would be like if you were wearing a deep plum or like a red or something deep. Just to outline. Actually, I'll just outline with an eyeliner. Going to fill it in with just a little bit of black. All right, there's the lips. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of white. That's helping. All right, there we go. That's probably good for the lips, I think. All right, let me grab my wig quickly. I'm so excited. Okay, here is my wig. I'm fairly new to wigs. This is the first one I've ever had, but I love it. It's this really pretty black and it's curly and short. So I think it'll be perfect for this look. First, I'm just gonna brush out my hair and then I gotta put it like in a few little braids kind of thing. Okay, so I just put all my hair up. I know it's not like obviously really flat or anything, but it helps me to hide most of it. I'm gonna put a little cap over it. So this helps for the most part. I can't really get it flat enough ever, so this will have to do, but okay. Okay, so if the point of this makeup look for you is to look like a mime, then just stop here. But I'm gonna continue to put the wig on. Okay, you guys, here is the finished completed look. As you can see, I have my wig on now, and I also have this little black shirt that's inspired by Detox's outfit, and then I just put this little crystal necklace on. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to see me in the NYX Face Awards, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to see my next videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh no, I just showed my hand. It's my actual skin color.